Hey guys, another video from POTN. Got a brand new site launching, V-Maxx.co.uk, so I thought we'd take a look at some of their products. Now for the V-Maxx Big Break Kit, pulled it off the shelf and thought we'd just take a look. I must admit, looking at the calipers, they are beautiful. They're offering 5 different colours: red, blue, green, yellow, black, available in 4-pot and a 6-pot, depending on the size of the disc and the application. Going onto the disc, it's a beautiful 2-piece, high carbon, black coated disc. The black coating remains on the outer edges, not where the pad comes in, giving a really nice, long lasting life. They're offered in 290, 330, 355 and 365 now, which is just massive. We've got the optional extra brake lines. I recommend you go for them. Really firms up the pedal, gives it that extra bit of touch, perfect for fast road and race use. We also offer high performance V-Maxx brake pads. Now the brake pads come standard in the kit. We do offer some optional extras from EBC. Because we know the applications, we do blue stuff, yellow stuff, orange stuff, RP1s. If you're already using EBC, you can just go straight over to the V-Maxx Big Break Kit and continue using their pads. That's it from me here at POTN. Remember to check out vmaxshop.co.uk and like and subscribe these videos and find out all about the latest products. Take care.